Welcome to the future of wireless sound. Introducing Mars, the levitating portable Bluetooth speaker with high-fidelity sound, subwoofer, and 8 hours of battery life. Mars is equipped with an ultra-thin 1.75-inch high-frequency horn. By using a world-renowned audio compression solution, it retains the full integrity of original digital audio and is optimized for real-time zero-loss audio streaming. 360-degree hi-fi sound projection means there's no back of the speaker, and everyone gets the best spot in the room. The ultra-durable levitating speaker is made from aircraft-grade aluminum, waterproof up to 3 feet deep, and is also magnetic. In the office, Mars doubles as a speakerphone with its built-in high-sensitivity microphone. And the portable subwoofer has 2 USB ports for charging your phone during long conference calls. Mars can also adjust its volume based on your proximity to the device and can be controlled with your phone. We believe that our technology will forever change the way you listen to music.
360-degree sound is a perfect fit for today's modern lifestyle product.
The sound was incredible. I was super impressed with how high quality it was, and I can't wait to get my own speaker.
I love Mars. 8 hours of battery life? My brother could listen to that all day long.
I was really stunned by its appearance when I first saw it. The way that it levitates is so cool, and the sound is amazing.
I definitely think Mars is the future.
Mars, elevate your audio.
Introducing U-Drone, the ultimate mind-reading drone that allows you to fly a drone with the power of your mind. U-Drone integrates leading cognitive technologies into an intelligent headset that reads your brainwaves, tracks slight facial movements, and converts these signals into commands. At the size of your palm, the 85 grams U-Drone is extremely compact, lightweight, and portable. To take off, all you need to do is concentrate and imagine the drone lifting off. You can even adjust the altitude by imagining, adjust the flying direction by tilting your head, and land the drone by biting your teeth. Capturing a photo with U-Drone can be done with 2 blinks with your eyes, or a peace sign with your hand. All U-Drone images are consistently sharp and vivid. The HD camera shoots stabilized videos at 1080p and stunning still images at 8 megapixels. Tracking a certain subject on the move or from different angles? Our subject tracking technology can automatically identify and continually follow a moving person. If you wish to reach further, flying with your mobile device as the remote control is an alternative option. You can view real-time camera feed on the U-Drone app and sync photos and videos onto your device instantly. Whether you are indoor or outdoor, U-Drone will be a perfect add-on to your magical moments. The powerful camera system automatically adjusts camera focus, exposure, and position to ensure your face is ideally displayed in the frame. All you need to do is act naturally. Whenever inspiration strikes across your mind, U-Drone will lead you into an adventure within and beyond your imagination.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you by chance seen a silver carry-on luggage anywhere? I just had it. I just had it a few seconds ago. I think someone took it.
Well, that's terrible news. Who would do such a thing?
Who knows?
Oh. Well, can you describe it for me? Maybe I can get to...
Introducing the Bruder Exp-4, a globally available expedition trailer like no other. Designed and engineered to excel in undulating off-road terrain, the patented Bruder suspension has nearly triple the adjustable wheel travel of its nearest competitor and provides the Exp-4 with performance, safety and control in levels never before seen in any other off-road trailer. Bruder also designs and produces equipment for military groups and global exploration companies, and the patented designs that make up the Exp-4 are tested for durability in temperatures over 50 degrees Celsius and well below freezing. Manoeuvrability is key off-road, so all dimensions and weight distribution are calculated meticulously with the distance between the tow pivot point and the vehicle's turning wheels determined for the ultimate towing performance and balance. The Exp-4 doesn't hinder manoeuvrability and allows popular tow vehicles to achieve 90-degree angles, and still from this position, sharp turning vehicles can perform full lock turns, something that's not possible with many well-known compact trailer designs. The Exp-4 also fits well within the width of tow vehicles and comfortably maintains contact with the ground on rutted off-road terrain. In extreme conditions, the Bruder suspension can even be used to lean over 11 inches to counteract a steep side slope or even avoid overhanging tree branches. And while all other campers are forced to look for level ground before they can set up, the Exp-4 allows you to be perfectly level in almost any situation or terrain. Also unique is the Exp-4's ability to calibrate suspension height to different tow vehicles. Whether it's a standard height vehicle or a heavily lifted vehicle, the Exp-4 can adapt to suit. Ventilated disc brakes are standard, plus wheel track and stud pattern can be matched to different tow vehicles, and tyres up to 37 inches tall can be accommodated. The EXP-4 also has a discreetly mounted worn recovery winch, and there's a roof-mounted carbon fibre housing with 2 stages of filtration designed to keep the cabin pressurised during dusty travel. On-road performance is just as important to Bruder, so the EXP-4 body shape is aerodynamically assessed behind a wide range of tow vehicles and designed for maximum efficiency. Available globally, the Bruder EXP-4 is proudly Australian designed, engineered and built. For more information, go to bruderexp.com.